Oh, that's my scalp right here. I thought it was the wig. Girl. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Ambition Right. So today's video is going to be a first impressions video on this fabulous hair. I think it's actually a really good everyday type hair. So if you want to know the details on this wig, then you know what to do. Keep on watching, guys. This wig is from fabulousxtensions.com. I got a 12-inch and shipping is free. It was 2 to 3 day shipping. I also got it through FedEx. I hate FedEx because of the way that they handle my packages. But yeah, I don't think that has anything to do with the company, but I'm just saying. This is how I received my package. It was raining that day, but yeah, surely I can't see my address. And FedEx bag. Let's see what it looks like. This is yeah. So packaging to me is very important, so I'm not liking this, but I guess it doesn't matter. Like, what's inside matters. So let's just see what the unit looks like. Whoa, it's very staticky. Can you see that? Right off the bat, I see that it came with an elastic band. I did not ask for that. They didn't ask me about it, so I'm glad that it comes with it. It's stitched very nicely inside, so that's very good. The knots are not horrible. Wow. Again, they didn't ask me anything. They didn't ask me, I don't remember them asking me what wig I wanted. They just sent me a wig. They have only 2 wigs on here. So I think that all their wigs come with an elastic band and slightly bleached knots. Like, this is not terrible. And from the looks of it as well, the hairline is customized. When we put this baby on, we're gonna see. Now, the one thing that I'm noticing is the texture. I'm not getting any shedding, but the texture is not a yaki. It's not something that would mimic my hair straightened, if you get what I'm saying. So it's a little on the silky, shiny side. So this is a lace frontal wig. Did I say that? I doubt I said that. So this is a lace frontal wig, girl. So there's 2 combs where the lace frontal is, along with a comb in the back and adjustable straps and a band. So this should not be flying off your hair during a windy day. It shall not. Okay, so I cut the lace off, and this is what it looks like. So I see a couple things here. So they did customize the hairline. However, not everyone's hairline is the same. So when I had like kind of cut it, my hairline doesn't go like that, like some people's. So I'll just have to make sure that I either like bobby pin this, or I use gel or something to kind of like keep this down, because if the wind blows, it's gonna whoosh, you know. The front is not bad. You could see this right here. The thing that sucks for me is that I have a widow's peak. So whenever I have a wig in the center, it always is gonna look weird because I have a center, because I have a widow's peak. However, this doesn't look too bad. I have my concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toast. I like this color because it's not too red. So we'll put that right. Also gonna put some, just a little bit underneath the lace as well. So you could use your Got2b gel, the black one, the yellow one, the spray, whatever, to kind of like put this down. But because I only care about the front, I sometimes use eyelash glue. Eyelash glue to me, I don't know, just works a lot better for me. Not only does it work better, it's safe because you use it on your eyelash. So pretty sure you could also just use it on your scalp. So we're just gonna put a little bit on the back of a brush, and then I'm gonna apply it to my scalp just where I want it to go, which is right here. Got2b glue is cool too. I don't like to do all of it. I find that very unnecessary. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. I'm gonna use my Lovely Bees Edge Control. Like I said, because I have a widow's peak, I have to kind of lay that down. And to me, it gives a more realistic look. Like, I'm not taking out any baby hairs. I already have it. The density is not that thick. I actually don't know what density this is. Not sure what type of hair this is. Everything about this hair will be in the description bar, so feel free to check it. And if you guys are interested in me coming back on here to give you like a month after review or whatever, then let me know in the comments below. Okay, so I'm gonna do another trick. I feel like right here looks really sparse, so I have my ColourPop eyeliner in black and also a mascara that I didn't like in black. I'm gonna kind of fill it in here, kind of blend in with my baby hair because I'm not liking how this looks. Oh my god, it looks so much better. And then with the mascara, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna use the wand and go like this and kind of get the hairs back black, or you might have put concealer, and also just darken up that part. Oh, so much better. Look at that. Now I'm happy. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I know I just put on a black shirt. That was pointless, but it doesn't really matter. You can still see. So this is the final look. Other than it being super staticky up here, I think this is actually a really good wig. It's very lightweight. The density is very light. So if you don't like light, kind of thin density hair, then this is not for you. But I think this is a very natural looking wig. Let me show you what the back looks like. Again, my bad, I got a black shirt on. But you can kind of see. Ignore the bump back here. My hair's in a bun. Not the smartest, but I just washed my hair. I think this is very chic. I think the part looks very natural. I just had a lot to do with it because I have a widow's peak. That's always my problem when I have wigs. So it's not like, this wasn't the first time I encountered it. So I didn't think it was a big deal. So for my edges, I'm just gonna bring my edges out and I'm gonna use the eye pencil and kind of darken it up. I'll show you. Kind of just darken it up like I did here, just to blend into my hair a little bit more in case the wind does blow. And because the comb isn't in the front, it's like right here, I'll just use a couple bobby pins to kind of keep this flat, but it's pretty secure either way. I think a cute look will also be like putting this back, and then that way you won't have to be super concerned about it showing. Other thing I want to comment on is the color. I'm not so sure what the color is. It doesn't say it on the website. It does not in fact say what color it is. So I'm not so sure. I think I might dye this a black, jet black, just because that's the color of my hair. You could tell it has more of a color 1, where it has like highlights of brown, but I don't think it's bad at all. So guys, I have a coupon code for you. It would be Gaby02, which is all caps, which is the name of the wig. But if you're not into buying wigs and you just want to buy a couple bundles because you like to make your own wig or you like to wear weaves, then I have a coupon code for you guys as well. It will be FX25, also all caps. They could be colored, dyed, they're virgin hair. They also do custom color and custom wigs upon ordering, so that's also something that they do. All of this will be down in the description bar, the links to the website, the coupon codes, and all that good stuff. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you like this hair and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and check out my other hair tutorials if you're interested, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.